Hello violinists, welcome to Bram Strings. I'm Henriette and today is day 30, woohoo! I'm very proud that you've made it to this day, and today we're going to have a celebration of all that you have achieved so far on this journey. I think it is an incredible achievement of which you can be very, very proud. So today we're going to have a bit of a play day, so we're going to play a couple of the pieces that you already know. And our special focus today is on playing in tune. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so now, because later in this lesson I will tell you how we're going to continue this journey. So hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell button so I can update you whenever that new course is released. I'll let you tune up first. We are going to start today with Minuet number 1 on page 38. We are starting on this minuet because today's focus is on playing in tune. We had a special consolidation lesson in day 28 on bowing technique. A next consolidation lesson on the left hand technique in day 29. So today's consolidation lesson is intonation. Intonation is playing in tune. And you know already the most important way to check out in tune playing is to check each third finger with the open string below. So for instance, we can check the third finger on the D string with the open G string. We can check the third finger on the E string with the open A string. Likewise, we can check the tuning of the third finger on the A string with the open D string. So this is the note that we need the most right now when we play minuet number 1, this one here. So will you join me playing the minuet? We are now going to stop each time we come across a third finger, so we can check that it is spot on in tune. So here's your starting note. So once we've checked that, here we go. 1, 2, 3. So let's check this note here. Carry on. Here's another one. Well done. Let's hold it there for a moment. So you may have found that your finger might have been continually a little bit too sharp, or always a little bit too flat. So apart from just testing your note and getting it in tune, it is wise to think what you need to do to get it in tune if you are not in tune. So you might be that you always play sharp or always play flat, and that might help you then when you carry on, perhaps putting it always a little bit lower or always a little bit sharper to see if you can hit that sweet spot where it is perfectly in tune on your first go. So let's carry on with the second half of this minuet, and let's see if we can improve on the tuning still. 1, 2, 3. Here's our first third finger. So listen carefully. Were you too sharp or too flat? Can you work that out? Because that is the key to your success for the next time, okay? Let's play the third finger again and then continue. Ah, here it is. And what are you now? Too sharp or too flat? Let's listen carefully. Carry on. Were you too sharp or too flat on that third finger on E? Okay, let's get it in tune. Carry on. Is that getting better now? Is it already spot on in tune? Carry on. Very nice. Okay, and here's another one. Now what were you? Were you too sharp or too flat? Or maybe you were already spot on in tune. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? Carry on. Now hit it right this first go. You see, this is a good exercise to do because you can gauge whether you were too sharp or too flat and then adjust your future third fingers to see if they can get any better in tune. Well done for persevering with that. I'm well pleased with that. So I hope that you will be carrying on playing this piece many times in the coming days and weeks, and that you will focus constantly on getting better and in tune every time you play. So now let's play the Happy Farmer in a similar way. So we're going to stop each time we find a third finger. Are we ready? I'll count us in for 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, there's our first one. Carry on. how many opportunities there are in this piece for checking the third finger. So how this piece is very suited to continually carrying on improving your intonation. Now that we've come to the end of this 30-day course, I would like to congratulate you on your super progress so far. I hope that you've enjoyed your journey so far. Do please write about your experiences in the comments section below. I have certainly enjoyed teaching you, and I will continue with a course on Suzuki Volume 2, and I would just call it Suzuki Volume 2 Day 1, Day 2 and so on. However, before we start on Volume 2, I would love to introduce you to the Reading Concertino in B minor, Opus 35, and that will be our next piece to explore. I shall write the link to that book in the section below. Thank you so much for following this course and for putting your trust in me. I have very much enjoyed teaching you, and I look forward to seeing you for the Reading Concertino. Do join me again soon. Goodbye.